Yes, 121 here, 19 at the Catholic.
No, I mean worldwide.
The only. Yeah.
Where?
Yes.
How many bodies did they recover?
328 bodies. There were 4 ships based out of Canada. 328 bodies recovered. The bodies buried at sea, 59 were repatriated to other parts of the world, and 150 buried in Halifax. Well, 150 and 59 is 209, 328. So 116.
So why would they have made the decision to put them in sea?
They made the decision for several reasons. One was, by the time they found the bodies were deteriorating. They had either been damaged in the sinking, or literally nibbled on by sea life, or the water itself had started to soften the body up. And
so these would have been ones recovered later on?
No, some of them, they started picking them up on the 21st or 22nd of April, but it doesn't take long for a body to start to break down. And it was common in 1912, if you died at sea, you were buried at sea. There was, they wrapped them up in canvas, they put in scrap metal, which they took out for the express purpose of burying at sea. But there was such a clamor, especially from the Americans who have this tradition of bringing bodies back, that they didn't do that anymore. They did bury, I think there were about 5 more found by ships that were doing cross-ocean runs, and they buried those at sea. But it was common, it wasn't done out of disrespect. They also ran out of embalming fluid. They sent out the original, the Mackie Bennett, and they ran it, well, they didn't have enough coffins, they didn't have enough embalming fluid. When the ship came back into port, they asked that people not go down to the harbor and gawk and look, because they had bodies stacked up. They didn't have enough room for them all. And everybody honored that except for a group of reporters who chartered a tug and tried to get out there. And the officials actually went out and confiscated the